Hello everyone.
The African National Congress in Limpopo has rubbished rumors that its provincial chairperson Stanley Mathabatha left the organization to join hands with its former president Jacob Zuma and his Umkhonto weSizwe MK party. It said posters claiming Mathabatha joined the MK party were gaining traction on social media. The ANC alleged that Zuma was attempting to woo many amongst its ranks to walk away from the governing party. Mathabatha was embarrassingly rejected by his own provincial executive and regional structures in 2022 when he tried to sway Limpopo against backing Cyril Ramaphosa's successful bid for re-election. He also lost out on the position of national chairperson to Gwede Mantashe. However, the party in Limpopo said Mathabatha remained committed to the ANC. The statement said the provincial chairperson of the ANC is not a member of the MK party and doesn't have any intentions to join the MK party. We further call upon them not to take those posters seriously because this is just an attempt to weaken the ANC and to defocus us from the election work of the ANC. Another member that is interested in the MK party is BLF leader Andile Shabir. Black First, Land First leader Andile has confirmed that he might soon join forces with the former ANC President Jacob Zuma as part of the Umkhonto weSizwe. Speaking to the Star on Sunday, Shabir said his meeting with Zuma, which was moved to sometime this week, will aim to finalize matters once it takes place. His meeting with Zuma will see Shabir becoming yet another left-leaning ally joining the MK party following reports that Ace Magashule of the African Congress for Transformation will also be collaborating with Zuma ahead of the elections. Posting a picture of himself alongside Zuma and other members of his party, Shabir said it is important for RET forces to join hands to take on the ANC, and said the leadership of the PAC met with our father Zuma. This is a great gesture. We must consolidate our forces. Imagine if all revolutionary movements were to have a united front based on a minimum program like the RET. United can defeat Stellenbosch. Shabir, who did not elaborate on the specific details of the proposed merger with the father of the RET and a close ally, said joining the MK party will ensure Steve Biko's legacy of Black consciousness is realized. Shabir said, as Black consciousness followers, we do well to remember that our father Biko was arrested and murdered during his quest to unite the liberation movement. He was to be spirited to Botswana on a small aeroplane to meet O.R. Tambo, Craig Williamson, the apartheid spy who had infiltrated the office of Tambo. Whilst reporting to Pretoria, the apartheid regime had to murder Biko to kill unity of the liberation movement. Let's unite the progressive forces and complete Biko's mission. Let's unite Biko. The MK party, which has been accused of trying to poach ANC leaders with leadership positions, has also convinced the PAC to join it. Shabir is no stranger to working with Zuma. In 2022, he was one of the first people to visit Zuma at his Nkandla homestead after he was arrested for contempt of court. Another close ally of Jacob Zuma is Shabir Sheikh. Shabir Sheikh is now campaigning for the Umkhonto weSizwe party and he's no longer a prisoner. The Department of Correctional Services told the Citizen that after public concerns over the sighting of Sheikh at party event, Sheikh only served 2 years of his 15-year sentence in jail before he was released on 3 March 2009 because he was allegedly very sick. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.